Okay, so every lesson that we do is going to have a conjecture, which is the big idea or the key idea of the lesson. So in this lesson, the conjecture is here. Is here. Rigid transformations preserve the distance between 2 points on a figure. So you copy this down onto your lined paper, you write the word conjecture before it, and then you write that quote. That's what you need to understand about this lesson. Sometimes I'll give you a translation, so kind of easier words that make it simpler and just easier to understand. So what that means is rigid transformations, or after you rotate, translate, or reflect, any 2 points on a figure will still be the same distance apart. That's what the conjecture means. Even if you flip a shape, rotate a shape, translate a shape, it's still going to keep the distance between 2 points the same. Other words you need to know for this lesson are congruent, which just means the exact same size and shape, and then distance preserving, which again means the distance between 2 points stays the same. So usually there won't be a video for this slide. It'll just say conjecture, and you know to copy it down into your notes.